Now, we're going to take up one more problem on projections of solids. Problem number 148, how to solve this problem using AutoCAD software. The problem reads as a pentagonal pyramid of 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its slant edges. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis is inclined to VP at 45 degrees. So to do that, here we have the final solution, which I need to have the beta inclinations. So to that, first we should have a locus. So first we go for the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now here, first we'll go for limits command. Zero comma 0, upper right corner is 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then go to line command, select some arbitrary point and take the cursor to the right side, take some distance and type 297. Similarly, take the cursor to the top side and type the distance as 210 and take the distance as 297 here and say close. Then go to zoom extents and zoom 0.6x. Now we go for the final solution. Here first we need to construct the polygon. So to do that, first we'll go for a layer command. So click on new layer, type the layer by name XY, click on new, type the layer by name axis, click on new, type the layer by name locus, type the layer by name front view, click on new, type the layer by name top view PV. Again, click on new, type the layer by name front view hidden. Click on new, type the layer by name top view hidden. Now we'll consider layer 0. The line weight is 0.05. Layer XY will have 0.13. And then the axis line will going to have 0.05. And the locus line will also have 0.05. And the front view will going to have 0.5. And the top view will also have the line 0.5. And the front view hidden will going to be 0.3. And the top view hidden will going to be 0.3. And you just click on the hidden line type of top view hidden, click on load, type the as center and say OK. Click on load, type dash dot D, OK, and load, take hidden H and say OK. Since it is the hidden line type, you just click on hidden. So then to take front view hidden, to make that as hidden line type. Then we come down to axis. Axis will going to have center, and then the locus line will going to have dash dot line. Once you do that, then we have the axis line will have a color of magenta. Then now we have the front view as red color, and the front view hidden will also have red color, and the top view will going to have blue color, and top view hidden will also have the blue color. So once you do that, now we go for a polygon command. Take the number of sides as 5, take the edge option, to take the distance as 25 mm, then you just go to line, take INT of this, opposite midpoint. You take midpoint of this, then go to line, take INT of this, then mid of this line, then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection point of this and take INT of this now. Then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection part of this. Now we just go to select this all the 5, then go to layer, make that as the top view. So once you do that, so you sit on the line weight display. You just go to draw the XY line and you consider this distance as 50, then go to offset, take the distance as 50 mm, and you just go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then you take intersection of this and take intersection of this. Then go to line, take intersection of this and intersection of this. Then go to erase this line. Then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Then go to break this line till here. Now we go for this line, go to layer, make that layer as axis and take the line type scale as 10. So you have then you select this front view and go to layer, make that layer as front view. Now once you do that, now we need to copy this front view first position and rotate that such that it will going to rest on HP. So you just go to copy, select this entire drawing and copy it to the next position, and then go to rotate, select this entire thing, then go to base point, take intersection of this and take the reference point, take int of this and take intersection point of this, and you rotate like this. Then go to move, press and bring it here. Then go to line, take int of this and take int of this now. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Now we go for line, take int of this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two now. Similarly, line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Now once you do that, then go to zoom window, then go to line, take int of this and take endpoint of this and take int of this and then int of this. Sorry. So here we have there is since it is resting on the slant edge. So since it is resting on the slant edge, so we have this edge is not will be here. So here we have to trim this. Okay. Now this you trim this line because since it is resting on the slant edge, so these two is okay and this is fine, and but we have to do this here to erase these two, and then we need to have fillet between this line and this line. Similarly, fillet between these two. Then just go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window. Now we have this line, so this is the one which we need to get it. Then go to line, take int of this, take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this, and take intersection point of this, and take int of this. Then you take intersection point of this and take int of this now. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this, then intersection point of this. So once you get this, then go to break this line first point, take int of this and say @, then go to break, select this first point, take int of this and say @, then break first point, take int of this and say @. Now once you have this, so we have break this line first point, take int of this and say @. This is the axis center which I need to break it. So now we have all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible, and the surface near to the observer is visible, and these two edges are visible. So you are going to get that layer as top view. Once you get this, then we have this line and also this line. Go to layer, you make it as top view hidden. Then you take the distance as 10. Once you get this, now we go for zoom previous. So here we have a zoom window. You select this, you take this line and also this line. Go to line type scale factor as 20. You take this as 20 mm. See the difference? Yes, we have the difference here. Then go to line, take int of this and then take line int of this and take int of this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw this. Now we have the beta inclination, but it is at 45 degrees. So to do that, so first we will go for DDIM, then go to modify, click on primary units, take up to second precision point, go to text, take the text height as 3, centered becomes above, align with the dimension line, take the offset from the dim line as 3, take the arrow size as 3, and then go to lines, take the offset from the origin as 3, then say OK and say close. Now we will go for zoom window, go to dim, take intersection point of this. So this is the axis line and take int of this now. So which is 46.01. Then go to line, take nearest point on this, take @100 less than minus 135. Then the axis line is having 50. So here go to circle, take nearest point on this, take the radius as 50. Then go to line, take int of this and then go to break the circle till here and break this arcs here. Then go to erase, then go to fillet between these two, then go to circle, take center point of this and take the radius as 46.01. Then go to break the circle till here and break this arc on this side. Then go to erase these two, it's not required. Then go to copy, select this entire drawing and take intersection point of this and take center of this line. Once you do that, then go to rotate this, then go to base point, take int of this, take the reference. So you take this as the intersection point and take end point of this and then take to this intersection point. Now once you have this, now we have the break command, break this line till here, then you select this line, go to layer, change that to locus and then take this to 5. Locus line has been changed. Now you just go to break break this line till here, and then go to move this entire drawing and switch off the ortho mode and place it wherever you want. Then you switch on this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take intersection of this and draw a horizontal line, and similarly take intersection of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two, and similarly take line, take int of this and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two now. Then go to line, take int of this and then take line, take endpoint of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line, take int of this, then go to line, take endpoint of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two now. Once you do that, then go to zoom window, then go to line, take int on this and take endpoint of this and then take endpoint of this and then int of this and take int of this and then int of this and then int of this. Then go to line, take endpoint of this and take int of this and take endpoint of this and then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this. Now once you have this, then go to break, first point, take endpoint of end of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then we have break, select this first point and take int of this and say at the rate. Now you just click over this and then click over this. So all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. So this line and this line, similarly this line is also visible, and once this line is visible, so this line is also becomes visible. And go to layer, take it as front view. Now the lines which are becomes invisible are these two lines, because two visible edges can never cross. Take front view hidden and take the dimension as 15. Then we have the axis line, go to layer, make this as axis line and take the distance as 10 mm. So once you do that, then go to zoom previous, then go to break this line till here, then go to zoom previous, again you break this line till here. Now we have the dimension which is to be done now. Now to do that, you just go to DDIM and again you just modify this of the primary units, make it as 0, that is precision, say OK, and then dim, take intersection point of this and take int of this. So we are going to get it as 25. Then go to int of this and take int of this. So here we are going to get it as 50. Then go to angular, select this line. So go to dim, go to angular, select this line and this line. So you're going to get it as 45 degrees. Again, angular, select between this line and this line. You're going to get it as text. Use space, enter, and you keep it here. Now we need to go for D text. So go to DT, select this line, go to D text, select this point, take the height as 3, and then you keep it as X, capital VP, and capital HP, and here it is capital Y, and you switch off this ortho caps lock A, B, C, D and E, and here it is O, and here it is O1. Then we have O dash, here it is A dash, here it is B dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash, here it is E dash, here it is O1 dash, and then you just go to move, switch off the ortho mode, take X, similarly you take VP, here it has HP, here it has O dash, here it has A dash, here it has E dash, here it has O1 dash, here it has B dash, here it has D dash, here it has C dash, here it has Y, and then we have A, then B, then C, then D, then E, then O, then O1. Now you call down PP, HP, A dash, all these things, and go to layer, make that layer as front view. Now once you do that, then go to HP, E, A, B, C and D. Then go to layer, make that layer as top view. Now you just go to line. So now we need to copy this. So you go to copy, select this O dash and copy that point here. Then you have C dash, you copy this here. Then we have B dash and copy this here, D dash. Then we have O1 dash. Then we have A dash. Then we have E dash. So once you have this, then we have copy O. O will come here and that O will be here. Similarly, we have O1, that O1 will come here. Then we have C, that C will come here. Then we have A, then that A will come here. We have B, that B will be here, and you have the C here. Then we have D, that D will come here. Then we have E, that E will be here, and you have that E will come here. Now you just have DD edit, and here you make it as visible O1, and here also that O1 will become visible. So then you just go to move, select this and you move it here. Now we have the text. So here you have O dash, and here you have A dash, here you have B dash, here you have C dash, here you have D dash, here you have E dash, and here you have O1 dash. Now you just go to move. So this is C dash and this is B dash, and here it is O1 dash, here it is D dash, here it is E dash, here it is A dash. So now you just go to all these points, and then you just click over this and go to layer, make that layer as front view. Now once you do that, then go to M text. So you have then you just go to formatting, select this symbol. So you take symbol and you mark it as small b. Now once you have this, then go to dim TED, text edit dimension, and you take this and keep it here, and this you take this line and you take this as beta. So this is how you will be able to complete this drawing. So this is your final sketch, how to solve this problem, how to draw this problem using AutoCAD software on pentagonal pyramid having one of the slant edges on HP. Thank you.